Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming account access and the exact license you'll use. You must decide whether you'll use YouTube's audio library, Music Premium, or a licensed track. Once signed into YouTube Studio and YouTube Music on the same account, open your draft video and note the section where music goes. Make sure the music length matches video segments and that you have any required licenses or credits. Now import or cue the chosen track. This begins the integration process. Next, you'll integrate and shape the audio inside YouTube Studio's editor. Add the selected track and drag it onto the timeline where you want music to begin. Then trim and use fade controls so music doesn't overpower dialogue, lower music with volume handles, and apply ducking around speech. Make fine edits by aligning beat points to visual cuts for better pacing, and use 0.5 to 2 second trimming precision. Once done, preview multiple times to confirm balance and timing. To finish, export a preview and listen for overall loudness and clarity. You want consistent LUFS and no clipping. Make sure metadata shows proper credits and license info before publishing. If a copyright claim appears, you can either provide proof of license or replace the track with an audio library alternative. Dispute only with valid documentation. Finally, save a non-compressed master copy, publish, and monitor comments and analytics for any sound-related viewer feedback so you can iterate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.